y'all, we're making pickles today, and I thought I'd show y'all what we're doing. My brine mixture is 3 cups of vinegar, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 a teaspoon of celery seed, 1/4 a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 a teaspoon of dried mustard, and 3 cloves of garlic. Bring your brine to a boil before adding to your jars. This is a good way to use cucumbers in the summer when you have so many. Leave a 1-inch headspace. Wipe your jars off extra good on the rims to make sure you get a good seal. Now use your magnet lifter and get your lid out to place on top of the jar. Now that you have your water bath ready, it's time to add the jars. Now lower them in the water bath very carefully. The water is very hot. While putting them in the water bath, try not to let the jars touch each other. Have the water 2 inches above the jar. Now process quarts for 15 minutes and pints for 10. Now take them out of the water bath and make sure you have a dry towel to place them on. And now we have crispy pickles for the winter. We got 3 pints and 2 quarts. I've got chopped, sliced, chopped, and pickles, spears.